Raw egg over rice.
Raw egg over rice is called Tamagokakegohan in Japanese.
Japanese people like to eat raw eggs. Eggs sold in Japanese supermarkets or convenience stores are disinfected and are stored in a hygienic manner. The expiration date written on the package is the date that you should eat them raw by. First, you need to cook the rice. Once the rice is finished, crack the egg on top of the rice. Then pour some soy sauce over it. Now it's ready to eat. Gently stir it. Bon appetit! That was yummy! I will introduce another way. First, crack the egg. Then pour some soy sauce on top of the egg. Stir well. Now pour it onto the rice. Stir well. It's ready to eat. Bon appetit! That was yummy! Japanese people add various toppings to this dish and enjoy it. If you come to Japan, please try this. On this channel, I will introduce normal life of Japanese people. See you next time!